Hey everybody, it's Todd and Cathy with Just Out and About.
We're here at Dollywood today for a summer celebration.
Yeah, it's a special event that Dollywood has going on right now, and it's running from June 25th through July 31st. So let's go have some good old-fashioned summer fun.
Okay, so this is what you can expect from a summer celebration.
Dollywood Summer Celebration is going to be incredible this year. We're very excited about the new nighttime experiences. There's experiences throughout the day too with some different shows that we're excited about, but I just cannot wait for you to see Dollywood's sweet summer nights. Now we've had fireworks in the past, but now we're adding drones and there's an interactive dance party and it's incredible. Your family's gonna love it. I got a taste of it tonight and I'm so excited to bring my family back because it's gonna be fun for everyone in the family, from the toddlers to the grandparents. Everyone's gonna get involved and have fun, and then you're gonna see fireworks and drones. It's really something, I can't even explain how cool it is. You're just gonna have to see it with the Wildwood tree in the background. It's really something that we're very proud of.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la.
Nothing says summertime like a trip to the fair. Let's go see what's going on.
I found you today. It feels like it's been forever, laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can't do anything, just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone.
Hey, y'all.
and Adventures That Rock.
Hey there.
Yeah. We're having a great time today.
Sure are. Wonderful
Yep.
time.
Yep. So you guys be sure to check out their videos too,
Yep.
because
Come on over.
I'm sure they'll beat us to the punch too.
Maybe not.
Good seeing you guys.
You
Yep.
too.
All right.
Have a great summer.
Available at the Sweets and Treats for the summer celebration is the Jubilee Spritzer, which what's in there?
The Jubilee Spritzer is actually a mixture of Sprite and lemonade, garnished with gummy, butterflies, maraschino, Bordeaux, cherries, and fresh mint.
Okay.
Served in a light Pilsner cup,
Huh.
which is hard to see in this sunlight.
Yeah. And then
Celebration Sundae, which is vanilla ice cream, topped with hot fudge, caramel sauce, churro donut, and a candy-filled waffle cone.
yep.
So the Spritzer came out at $9.99, and the Sundae came out at $10.99. So both of these are a little high in price.
Yep. Let's dig in.
All right, everyone. So we decided to take a quick break here at Dollywood. I'm sitting here sipping on my Jubilee Spritzer. That was one of two of the specialty food items here for the summertime celebration here at Dollywood.
I've been sipping on it too.
And also Kathy had the celebration sundae,
I did.
which looked extremely good.
Yeah.
We've ridden a few rides. We've ridden Bar Chaser, which is one of the coasters here,
Tennessee Tornado
which is another coaster, Thunderhead.
and Dragonflyer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All very good coasters.
Yeah.
So I think now we are gonna see what we can get into next.
Yeah. We just ate dinner. So we're just sort of relaxing for a few minutes, enjoyed our treats, and now we're moving on.
Moving on.
Yep. I think we have staked out our spot for this evening. I think we got a good view. Supposedly, this is where we need to be looking for drone and fireworks. But first, there's going to be a dance party.
The bridge was right there where you just saw the tree right behind, and behind that tree is where the fireworks are going to be taken off. So make sure to come early and get a good spot to see the firework and drone show tonight. There's so much happening out here at Dollywood Summer Celebration.
Oh no, wait a minute.
We're about 10 to 15 minutes to go time. We got some fog going.
All you gotta do is
Some lights.
open, and come on by itself. Press the movie button. That's it.
And I'm gonna be really disappointed if this guy down here doesn't do some foot loosing. I'm filming your bubbles.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for
to do their
Y'all.
thing, all right? Here we go.
Right here.
Let's cut loose. All right, everybody. We're going to 5, 6, 7, 8, go.
Whenever I'm off to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory, whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my wishes may be heading, a part of us will never leave. Oh, wherever in the world you may be hiding, in a while I know you're coming home. Tonight I know you will be coming home. Ooh, for every spoken word I wish for silence, for every storm I long for peace, for every step I'm taking there's a sidewalk, there's a road, a way to get to you, to get to you, to get to you, to get to you. Oh yeah. I wanna get to you, I wanna get to you, I'm on my way. Whenever I'm off to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory, whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Then I know I'll never ever be alone.
Joy Bless Life is my channel.
Okay, guys, we didn't mention it earlier, but this is Joy Bless Life, so you make sure you check her out too.
Definitely check out her channel.
Thank you.
What did you think of that? That was totally awesome.
I was very impressed, definitely with the nighttime show here at Dollywood.
Yeah. And let's get some other. Let's get some other.
That was amazing. I really was not expecting that. The fireworks, the drones, and how they synchronized it, that was a perfect way to end a great day here at Dollywood. It really was.
Yeah.
I'm amazed.
Yeah.
That butterfly. Wow.
With Dolly singing I'll always love you.
Oh, I know.
Yes.
That brought tears to my eyes.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, guys. We're going to call it a night here and try to get out of here.
So be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
And by all means, come check out this show because it is totally awesome.
You'll be very impressed.
Yep.
We were.
Yep.
Bye, guys. Taking a little break. I'm still sipping on my Jubilee Spritzer. That is one of the specialty items here. One of the 2 specialty items here at Dollywood.
Talk louder.
Okay, so we're sitting here taking a little break here at Dollywood, and I'm sipping on my Jubilee Spritzer, which is one of 2 specialty foods here for the summertime celebration here at Dollywood.
Yes.
Cathy had the celebration Sunday, which looked very good.
Yeah.
So far we've ridden a few rides.
Yeah.
We got on a Thunderhead.
Fire Chaser, Dragonflyer.
Oh yeah, okay, there's 4 so far.
Yeah.
So coming into
Now, if y'all excuse me, I have some very important business to tend to.